What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and set up Claude Code on your Windows machine. So head over to this website code.claude.com/docs/en/setup. I'll leave the link down in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out from there. Now once you are on this page, scroll down till you see this native install option, and you're going to choose the Windows PowerShell or Windows CMD. I'm going to choose the CMD. Simply just copy this command and then open up a terminal window and simply paste this command in the command prompt. So I'll just hit enter. This is now going to fetch Claude Code from internet and is going to download and set it up for us. So let's just wait for it to complete. So you can see it says installation complete, but the environment variable for our Claude Code doesn't exist. So we just need to copy this from here. Go to the search and search for environ and click on this environment variables here. Go to the path, paste in the value that we just copied from there, click OK, and let's just close the command line once and open it up again. Now, if I do Claude, you can see the Claude Code is running in my terminal window on the Windows. So I'm just going to choose the auto mode and it's asking me to set up a login method. Let's say Claude account with subscription, and I'm just going to log in. And after logging in, I'm just going to copy this authorization code, go back to the terminal and paste the code right in here, hit enter, and you can see it says login successful. Please press enter to continue. Yes, I trust this folder and I'm inside the Claude Code. And it's asking me to try the new full screen renderer. So let's say yes, try it. Oh, that's nice. Again, I trust this folder and let's say hello to Claude Code and it says, hello, how can I help you today? And I'm going to say ask the viewer to subscribe to my channel. And you can see it's telling you, if you are enjoying this video, do me a quick favor, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. It's completely free and it genuinely helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for your support. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.